Hey everybody, welcome back to the Puddingboi channel. I'm Puddingboi and you're not. So, welcome back to the YouTube video. So, today I'm going to be reviewing the Dyson vacuum. Well, I'm just going to explain. There's like 4 things on a piece of paper that I can show. Because, yeah. How the dirty floors are dirty, and vacuum sounds, how long the battery lasts for. Battery lasts per change 45 minutes, how loud it is. So let me check in this how loud this is. I like this sound though, and there's also trash in there, so you'll have to dump it out. And anyways, so when you have trash there, you go put it in the trash can. And yeah, so let me check. So this sound is like when you go upstairs, like I will like be hard on it, but I don't. But really, that's what my dad say. But this one is faster. But let me show you the other one and tell you. Well, the battery is 4136. Well, this is on medium. So if you vacuum like this, and then you'll like, and then I guess you'll like get the mess without this thing. And I'll show you this one. This one is so this one is like slow in my opinion, but it's okay. When I don't have this, the vacuum thing goes entirely down. So I'm just gonna put it on side of me and mess over me. I gotta put the vacuum there, and let's see the sound look like. And how, like, show you how loud it is. The sounds are different when there's this. I don't know what to call it, but still have this piece of paper. This the vacuum sounds. So let me check this one is so. It's 41%. Well, it was 42, but I think this is. I don't know what percent is this, but if you use it too much, then it will waste energy, and it's an expensive vacuum. And this is my dad's vacuum, so I'm revealing in it. This is the family's vacuum. I don't know about this one. Let me try this one. Let's see. Let me see if this one will do something. I don't know if we use this thing, because I don't see the difference of one of my family's using this. So let's see what this one is. This one doesn't have trash, so it shows us the picture of it. I don't know because this vacuum is hard to get for me. Well, I never used this thing. I've used this multiple times to vacuum the house. So, am I missing anything? Let's see if this one, because this one is small. It's a small vacuum. So let's just put the big one down, and let's just see the small. Let's see the small one. Yeah. This one is the smallest vacuum, so don't know if it can vacuum the floor, but I know these two can. These two can vacuum in the floor. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show how long battery lasts for. It'll last like it'll like go backwards like 2 and 1, and then it'll go 41%. Yeah. And I'm showing you how loud it is, what was in battery loss per change, 45 minutes. I don't know about this one, but I'll show you, well, there's going to be a little dirty floor, so I'm just going to show you how, I'm just going to vacuum the whole house, especially with my review. So I'm just going to put this on. This one has messy in it, so I'm just going to show you the vacuum dump being, like, dump it in the trash. So let's just get this over with. Let me pause it. So this one has trash in it, so I'm just gonna dump it out. I'll see the other one's is trash full as well, so let's just dump this out. I don't know how to. Let's see. Well, I guess you could, like, you can take it. Sorry. Let me see if this could do something. I apologize. So this is how, because I guess, whoa, things are out of my face. Well, I apologize for the bad showing. It's because I had this on. So yeah, when you take this out, you get a vacuum trash out. You take the vacuum trash out, and that's how you do it. So I'm gonna show you the other ones. Let me check this one. Well, this is not trash. I guess, well, not really though. Let me just see. There's nothing really. I don't think there's nothing, so this one is absolute fine. So I'll put this up, and I'm gonna be showing you the house vacuuming. So let's get started. Now I have to vacuum some of the messes in here in the house. So let's get started, shall we? There was a messy after the vacuum trash. Dog here. Oh, never mind. So I think that's about it. Please drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with your friends if you enjoyed this video. And this is your boy Puddingboi signing off. I enjoyed that vacuum review for you all, and bye.